Çekin. Yüzünü mahşerde madalyam olacak. Çekin.
Tayyip Erdogan has ruled Turkey for almost 20 years. He came to power aiming to be a world leader. And that he has, the world leader in imprisoning people. More than 1 million people have been prosecuted under his authoritarian rule. Hundreds of thousands remain behind bars.
Kelepçeyle siyaset yapıyorsunuz. O kelepçedir sizin gücünüz.
Turkey was once a rising star in a promising democracy in the Middle East. Erdogan handcuffed the entire country and converted Turkey into a mass prison.
Siz konuşamadığınız için, haksızlığınızı gizlemek için Türkiye'nin her tarafında basından belediye başkanlarına, siyasetçileri, herkesi bu kelepçeyi takarak ülkeyi tam bir darbe rejimine dönüştürdünüz.
Erdogan's Turkey is the top jailer of journalists in the world. Erdogan's is the home of kidnappings, tortures, police brutality, arbitrary, mass detentions, media blackouts, and all kinds of oppressions on everyone who voices criticism. And there is no let-up. Erdogan has scaled up his oppression. As Turkey's citizens are experiencing oppression, Erdogan's police are increasingly brutal in their actions. Even those protesters younger than 18 are handcuffed behind the back unlawfully. They were dragged on the streets. Completely harmless civilians have been seized from the beds in their homes in the early hours of the morning by anti-terror squads, again handcuffed behind their backs. Erdogan has handcuffed the media as well, the judiciary, the universities, the democracy.
Sizin siyaseten söyleyecek bir sözünüz yok. Sizin demokratik siyaseti kullanma gibi bir sözünüz yok. Siz zorbalıkla, zulümle, baskıyla ve işkenceyle bu ülkeyi yönetmeye çalışıyorsunuz.
Many critics see Erdogan's police tactics, such as handcuffing of people behind their backs, as an attempt to intimidate people, forcing them to bow their heads to his dictatorial rule. However, hundreds of people reject it. They're shaking up social media with the hashtag, "We will not bow our heads." And several people arrested and handcuffed by the police did not actually bow their heads. Many of them flashed a smile at the cameras when they were seized by police. A smile that shouts at the face of the oppressors, a resisting and defiant look, reminding all, including Erdogan himself, that oppressors can never handcuff ideas.
Bu kelepçe size yakışır. Bu kelepçeyi kırmak da, iktidarınızı yıkmak da, saltanatınızı dağıtmak da bizim görevimiz. Gideceksiniz demiyorum, sizi biz götüreceğiz.